Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Saturday. Me and Holo are hanging out, playing. So, yeah. I finally woke up this morning. My headache is gone. So, I'm feeling better. So, yeah. But I believe this is gonna be a shorter vlog, but how about we translate into the weekend vlog instead of double vlog days. So yeah, so double vlog days / weekend vlog. So yeah. Hey Hollow, do I play hide and seek?
Yeah.
Alright, you hide all counts.
Okay. Turn that count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here it comes. I think it is under the futon. I see you under. You're under futon.
Now take the time.
I found you. I found you.
Now let's take the time.
Okay. We always do tickle times after I found you. Tickle. Oh boy.
1, 2, 3. Let me know. Here I go. I saw you.
Okay, you got me. Okay, you got me. You got me. Oh my. Checking out the breakfast burrito. My mom just made me. You look well cooking, Mom.
Huh?
You look well cooking, Mom.
Thank you. I hope you like it.
So yeah, time to eat some breakfast. Oh my. Oh my, acquaintance is sitting badly. Oh dude, come on dude. Oh dude, acquaintance sitting badly. Oh man. This is so funny guys. Taking a gaming break, having some nuts from Sonic. I got chili cheese comedy and also popcorn chicken and honey mustard sauce that goes with it. So yeah, time to eat. So yeah, Buddy's here.
You gotta warn people before it happens.
So
Oh no!
Buddy's here bringing over some meat.
Well, Trina, why'd you
I
turn
made
your game off?
I made chicken and burgers and hot links.
Oh, cool.
You wanna try some?
Yeah, I'll try them later.
Hey,
What you watching?
you should show them your video games. Turn
So
your game back on.
But anyway, Buddy's here bringing over some meat.
Yeah, I got a bunch of
We're
the.
just hanging out in my
I got a bunch
room.
of the little random.
We're just hanging out. I see Hollow.
There.
We're just hanging out. Look at this, guys. Got some new masks from Etsy. The 4-bag mask. So my aunties gave me to me the 4-bag mask. The Hannah Montana. Look at that. And also High School Musical. Look at that. I know you guys are a fan of High School Musical, of course. I watched all 3 High School Musicals. So we got 2 of them. So yeah, this is so cool. So this is so cool, you guys. This is from Etsy, guys. So here's what it looks like on me. Look at that. You can see Hannah Montana. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. High School Musical. Look at that. They're part of a fallback mask. This is from Etsy, you guys. So this is the one we got from Etsy. Look at that. Hannah Montana and High School Musical. The fallback mask. This is so cool. Alright guys, so I'm ending my night by playing Animal Crossing New Horizons. So check it out. KK Slider is here doing a performance in front of the resident service. So that's all Saturday, so I will check back with you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Surprise! We're going on a road trip again, but just a day trip and then back. Right, Grandma?
Yeah, right.
So, yeah, we're heading to Kansas City and then back home. So, yeah, here we go. Hello, are you ready? Are you ready, hello?
I think that means yes.
All right, then let's go.
Kansas City that I can use?
Trip, getting 2 buffalo sticks for my trip step. What do you think, was?
I think it's a buffalo stick.
Alright, so we're in Kansas City.
Yeah,
So what did I do in Kansas City?
Buy drugs.
No,
Yeah.
you're getting the bikes.
Prostitutes.
No, you're getting the bikes.
Illegal weapons.
What?
What?
You're funny. We're getting the bikes.
Is it a joke?
Yeah,
Is
it's a joke. So what did I do in Kansas City?
Get some bikes and go home.
Okay. So yeah. Just cruising along Interstate 435.
There you go. Got a bite. Yep, there you go.
It's like someone has a lab.
Black
Look at that. Someone has a lab. They're playing fetch.
They're playing touch. Element too.
What's this got a bike? Another bike.
Another bite.
Alright guys, so my mom just got me the chocolate BB Crush from the Protein House. So good thing I haven't had Protein House for like almost 2 months ago. So I have a vlog vlog 495. So go look it up after you got done watching this vlog. So I believe it's gonna be at the end screen. So yeah. But right now I'm about to drink this chocolate BB Crush. I've been wearing this for another almost 2 months. Alright guys, about to do a taste test on chocolate BB Crush. Cheers! This is good. I recommend you try this. They're chocolate BB Crush from the Protein House. So the waiters gave us menu because it was a 3-hour wait.
No, Russ just took the menu because this is America.
So yeah, I guess we have to order in the car because it is a 3-hour wait. But you still have to take the menu back.
I'm not gonna take it back. I'm keeping it. It's a gift.
Is this
So yeah. Roger car wash, cleaning the bikes. Cleaning the bikes at the car wash.
You don't have to record all
So
this.
these are grandma's cookies
Yeah.
from Protein House. So here it is. Alright guys, so we just had some thunderstorm as we on the way to Best Buy. So my mom and Hollow went to Best Buy finding the Turtle Beads Battle Buds, but I don't know if it's another sale one, but I don't know. But while they're there, me and Wall saw at the BP gas station, and while we're there, we did listen to Eminem. So yeah, so I'm thinking we'll come back and pick my mom and Hollow up with this stuff, but if not, it's good for me. So I think we gotta go home after this. I believe that's Walls pumping gas. I believe so. Walls is checking in oil. Walls got some oil stuff or car stuff. So yeah, we're getting things prepared for a ride back home. So here we go, Walls is putting oil in for the trip back home. Everything's prepared. No Battle Buds on this Best Buy. Only available online. So Tolo got a new toy from Kohl's. Playing with fake food. Oh my. Oh my guys, earlier this morning I wore the gray sweatshirt, and guess what? I'm walking with these shirts. So that's why I took the shirt off. That's why I have the t-shirt on underneath. So we're going home. We're gonna pit stop to Ottawa for taking care of some business. Hollow's taking care of some business, and of course you're taking care of some business. White Moss. So yeah. So once we're taken care of, we're gonna be back on the walk home. And also when we're driving home, we did listen to the Wilsons in the car, waving us.
Yeah,
We did listen to the Wilsons in the car.
we did.
like Paulo got reunited with my aunt.
Hi, I'm tired.
Hi, Angie.
Hi. Come on.
It's like Paulo reunited with Angie. That's all, guys. We're back home. We're at my aunt's house, and then we're gonna be back home. Alright, we're back home. Bear is here. I missed you, Bear. I missed you, Grandma.
I missed you too.
Finally made it home. Finally.
I'm so happy.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Now I gotta go relax and
Okay.
get my Switch plugged in.
Yeah. I'm glad you
And
had
then
fun.
get things set up for my gaming videos.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like my aunt just came over after we got home. Oh boy. Everyone's in here. Paulo's reuniting with my aunt. Alright guys, finished recording Animal Crossing New Horizons, so it should be up by the time you watch this vlog. So speaking of that, I gotta go ahead and end this vlog. I'm about to enjoy my cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. I've been waiting for 2 months now, almost 2 months. So yeah, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And hope you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog filled with travel, awesome and fun. So yeah, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And remember, it's all adventures want to be. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.